stages. So these are the few natural features that are formed physically without any human interference, and it can change also. This conclusion part little bit you can write there. After the conclusion part, next you can write the bibliography. Again and again from last year I'm shouting there, acknowledgement is the last page. Can we give an example of specific? Definitely, Debargo, you can give the example of specific river for a reference. Examples you have to give. Examples you have to give for specific river after mentioning the specific river. As I was telling for the South Indian river Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, these all rivers cannot make the deltas in the mouth of the river. So after mentioning, in the other hand side, the North Indian rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra has made the largest deltas in the world. Like that way also you can give the example. For the delta part you can also write that is the largest delta, name of the largest delta. Like this way you can explain. The last page acknowledgement, again and again I'm repeating, last page is not the bibliography. And also some of the students have written the acknowledgement as the first. So you just think about something, you are starting one program, instead of showing the dance and singing and also drama, suddenly at the first you are giving the thanks and you are telling the judge to give the speech. Your condition is like that way if those who are writing the acknowledgement at the first. Instead of explaining everything, you are giving the thanks. So full marks will be deducted. Next one, after conclusion, bibliography is there. Conclusion, bibliography and acknowledgement, 3 separate pages should be there. You will not write in one single page to simply save the money so that you can utilize in the internet. This is about your future, so little bit be careful. Conclusion, bibliography and acknowledgement, 3 separate pages will be there. Next one, after completing this one, bibliography, you will explain that what are the internet site you are using for writing your writing part. Otherwise, your book, what are the books you are taking help, that also you can write. Not that also, that you have to mention. 2 or 3 lines will be there for the bibliography, dear. I can understand. Those who are very much worried about the money or the pages, please you keep aside your little bit thinking. You have to write in one single page for bibliography, at the last page acknowledgement. All of you know how to write the acknowledgement. And any other question? And Prashant, whom are you telling, dear? Personal chat kar? मैं करूँ? Personal chat kar?
No, miss, they were disturbing very much.
So afterwards you cannot talk. 30 minutes are given there, so that you can do your continue your personal chat. During the class only they have to talk.
No.
Anyone having another question? If your voice is not clear, you can you can write the question in the chat box. I'll give you the answer. If any other question related to the topic. In the white page, you have to draw the margin. Everything is given there. Just you go through the Astray app, wherever I have uploaded there. Those who are having the question. Samrit, topic I have already written the stages, so I have not told the number of maximum page number 15 to 16 pages, not more than that. 15 to 16 pages, including everything: conclusion, index, programming, acknowledgement, bibliography, and the body of the project. Everything 15 to 16 pages, not more than that. Not more than that. You can make it 14 pages also, but do not make it 2 to 3 pages. That also become little bit horrible. It will Anshita, conclusion part you can write there. As I told you, you are writing from a physical project. Yes, dear. Somakanti. Okay, the conclusion, Anshita, you can write. As I told you, the part is not your project is based on the physical feature. That means nothing is permanent on the earth surface. You can explain there that I have prepared, or the project is based on this or part. The features are not permanent on the earth surface, as the land course, or the land part, or the river course can change due to the features can change. So whatever from the millions years ago, this all things were started forming, and this is the result that we can see nowadays. But this all also can change in the future. This all you can write. Tanmay, we will inform you how you are going to submit your project. First, you prepare the project. No, Trina, maps are not required. In the river, this project maps are not required, because it's not about a full area or full site or full city. Only it's based on the river part. Doesn't mean that all the leaves and the flowers you can give their colorful, means they're related with the topic. You can paste the pictures. As beautiful as you can paste the pictures, you can paste there. And in the first page, that wherever you are writing your name of the project related to the topic, you can paste the picture, and if you will draw the picture, it will also good. For the project, black color definitely to writing the part, each and everything writing part, you will use your black color. Heading you can use other colors except red and green. Rest all you can use the you have to label the pictures. Below the pictures, the internet site you will write. If you will download the example, name of the picture is very important. All of you have to mention the name of the picture, otherwise your mark deduction also will be there. Name of the picture, for example, V-shaped valley you have pasted. At the below, if you will write the sources of the picture, that source, after the www dot whatever or http from wherever you will download, and the top you will write V-shaped valley. What you have to write in the object? Tanish, you just go through that in the Astray app. Astray app, everything is given there, what you have to write in the object. What you will explain in the project, you will write in the objective part of the project. You check in the Astray app, everything is written there clearly, what you have to write there. Any other question related to the topic?
Miss clear.
Anything you want to ask related to the topic? Again, I'm telling that this is a physical feature project. Who is telling Aja? You can make it beautiful. Economic project, normally the projects become little bit dull because the topics are same. No picture you can paste over there, but with the help of the physical feature, everything, so many pictures are available. Geography, physical geography is the most interesting part. Miss, my Astray app is not opening, it's showing error. Authentication fail.
It is not Astray app, means it is Astray web portal.
Same only. What problem?
Like Astray portal, dear. Astray not in the Astray app. Astray portal.
Astray app there is.
Ananya, you just tell your friend, dear, to download one PDF I have given there. If they can download that one, pictures they will give, and you can collect the pictures from the other student. Ananya, Shrestha, I'm telling that you can ask your friend, if the picture you will not be able to collect, I will send you. I will send you the
Hey,
pictures.
give your WhatsApp number. I will send you the all the pictures.
What pictures you will send? Pictures you will send me.
No, miss, not to you, miss, to Ananya. Tell her to give her WhatsApp number. I will send all.
Right, you ask your friend dear, they are having their, if they will able to download PDF I have given there, they will send the pictures to you related to that part, how you will mention the river features. Few diagrams I have also uploaded, that diagrams you check. Just you can take the help, I have uploaded also with including the rules and regulations, you can check out there. And any other question related to the topic that you want to ask? One more class you have, no? 12:30. One more class, I think.
No, miss, today free class.
Achha, correct. Dear, that app is not opening, dear. Just ask your friend. You ask your friend, dear, and they will give you the pictures. Though continuously I'm deleting the picture, so beforehand please you inform me, because I also don't have much space in my mobile. Continuously I'm also downloading the pictures. So beforehand you please inform me that whether the pictures are required or not, and before that you ask your friend. Any other students is having any problem related to the chapter that want to ask? How to write or what? The pen, again I'm telling, blue colored pen you will use for writing part. Anything. Sorry, black colored pen. Sorry. Black colored pen you will write for writing anything. Anything, the heading you can write. If it is possible, dear, try to avoid the glitter pens. Otherwise, if you are not getting any other pen, and please do not use the sketch pens. Sketch pens, please do not use. Instead of sketch pen, the glitter pens are better. If you are not getting, please do not use the sketch pens. It looks really very horrible in your project papers. Pencil color for what, Samrid? If you will draw anything, that time you can use the pencil color. Otherwise, yes, for heading writing also, if you want to use, you can use the pencil color. You can use the pencil color, but make your project and the headings, especially make the headings prominent.
Miss, and crayons we can use.
Yes, you can use. That's only I'm telling. Suppose for writing any heading, please give the border. If the crayon pens, crayon colors you are using, please give the border with the black pen so that the headings will be prominent. Little bit. This all things you have to do. Crayon colors also you can use, but to make the otherwise those who are not having their good handwritings there, at last stencils are available in the market. I will not force you that you have to bring the stencils. ABCD. Okay, no problem. I said I'm not forcing. I said those whose handwriting is not good, they can use the stencils for writing the headings. I'm not forcing that you have to buy the stencils. The stencils you can buy. It's available in the market, 10 rupees, I think, 10 or 15 rupees stencils. Otherwise, less than that also. Stencils are available for writing the headings. You can also take the help of the stencils. Okay, so Samrit Singh is a big fan of MS Dhoni. Okay, so bye all of you. Take care.